Okay, today our story is Dave and his raft. Okay, so I'm seeing that we're going to be working with some sight words, some rainbow words. I'm thinking we're going to be working with some long A words with a E at the end. Dave. A with a vowel after says A, Dave. And we are going to also see words that have the short A sound, as in raft. So where is Dave here? Well, who has the raft? Okay, so this is the raft. It's floating in the ocean. And so this must be Dave. He looks kind of like a pirate or a sailor, Dave. And then this must be the raft. Okay, the sail is up there. This is a sail and this is the raft. And what kind of animal is that, do you think? Is it hard to tell? Maybe a dolphin. Okay, so do we know anything about this story so far? Where do you think it's going to take place? Out in the water, in the ocean, maybe at a beach. He's floating out there in a small raft. Okay, Dave and his raft. Dave has a raft. Dave sets sail on his raft. So we're getting opportunities to practice this A sound in both Dave's name and also the word sail. Okay, so he's going to set sail on his raft. I wonder where he's going. Let's find out. He's kind of dressed like a pirate. He has an eye patch. Dave sails on the lake. Okay. It is fun to sail on a raft. Dave waves to Big Ben. Who is Big Ben? Okay, so this dolphin here, his name is Big Ben. Okay, now we know he has a name. One thing you might want to do, I want you to think about, well, where are the long A words? Dave and sails and lake, right? Sail and waves. And Dave again. Okay, lots of long A words. So practice reading it. Dave sails on the lake. It is fun to sail on a raft. Dave waves to Big Ben. Oh, let's see if we can get this folded out so we can see it well. It rains on Dave, and it hails on Dave. The big waves toss the raft. So would rain be good when you're out there in the lake? Do you know what hail is? It's like an icy rain, thick icy rain that could be hard rain. I see some lightning, a lightning bolt up here. It's like a storm, right? What is the problem here? So he's being hit by rain and hail, and the waves are getting bigger, and they're tossing his raft around. That's dangerous. The raft tips. The sail rips. Big Ben has fun. Oh, Big Ben doesn't mind, right? What do you think? Do you think it's a problem for Dave, though? Probably. Is it a problem for his raft? Looks like his sail is ripping. His things are falling out. The big waves toss the raft. The big waves tip the raft. And Dave lands in the lake. Any ideas what is going to happen here? What is the problem? Do you have any ideas what could happen here? Do you have any predictions on what could happen? Pause the video and talk about it. The big waves toss Dave. Can he make it to the raft? Dave cannot make it to the raft. Oh, he's in trouble. This is dangerous. Dave nabs, like grabs, nabs Big Ben's tail. Big Ben is a pal. He takes Dave to the raft. Oh my goodness, so Big Ben is helping Dave get back to his raft. Dave makes it to the raft. Dave is safe. He waves to Big Ben. Whew. So now we're going to sequence it. I'm going to let you think about what happens first, second, or third in the story. You can always go back and look at the pictures and reread it. Big Ben takes Dave to a raft. Did that happen first, second, or third? Dave sets sail on the lake. He starts to sail on the lake. Dave lands in the lake. Okay, decide what comes first, second, or third. And then let's practice reading these words. Aft, raft, and the, to, lands, he. So I did read the whole book, but I don't want you to only read it with me. I want you to go back and practice reading it on your own as well, okay? Friends, so we have 2 pages to work on that go along with Dave and his raft after you're done sequencing it. We're going to look at the word under each picture and circle the word if it names the picture, and cross out the word if it does not name the picture. So let's practice this. Wave, wave. Does that show a wave? Yes, so that is a wave in the water, right? Save, save. Is that a save? No. In fact, let's write the real word. Sail. Babe, babe. Okay, that's a babe. I usually don't say babies are babes, but it's kind of like short for babe. So I'll take it. Cake. Is that a cake? No, what was that? Cave, right? So let's write it out on our own. Cave, cave. Okay, so go through these and do this on your own. Lake, we have what is this? Case, case. Tape, gate, and rain. So read them. Some of them are right. Some of them are trying to trick you. Now, this is my favorite part of the work, is the comprehension work that goes with the story Dave and his raft. You're going to read each sentence and decide if if it is true, if you think it's true, circle yes and write yes. If it's not true, then give it a no, okay? Dave has a hot rod, like a fast race car. Is that true? Yes or no? Did he have a race car? A hot rod? No, that's an N-O. They tried to trick us. N-O. No. Okay? Let's do one more together and then I'm going to let you read on your own. Dave has a raft. Yes or no? Yes, he has a raft. Yes. Right? Okay. And then we're going to write out yes. Yes. Okay? Great. Keep working on that. Have fun.